Welcome to Knightline for Wednesday, February 24th, 2021. I'm Marti with your school news and announcements for Jose Marti 6-12 MAST Academy. All students grades 6-12, please remember to check your messages from your counselors on Enmodo and on Square. Your counselors are trying to reach you. Please check your messages. Mr. Enriquez reminds you that official school business such as testing, especially for high school students, and other information is being sent to your student date school's email account. Be sure that you have access to these email accounts and that you check them for emails each day. Your school email is available in your portal or go to outlook.com and sign in with your ID number at student.stateschool.net. Then enter your portal password to log in. Attention juniors, reminder, Herb Jones will be at the front of school today from 2:30 to 3:30 p.m. for class rings. If you are interested in ordering your class ring, please see Herb Jones right after school. High school students, do you need community service hours? Bring in donations of new or gently used clothing, toys, shoes, or household items. Hours will be awarded based on the number of items donated. A minimum of 5 items are required for community service. Bring in your donations to the Student Services Office no later than Thursday each week in February. The collections deadline is this week on February 25th, so get to it. The yearbook is available for pre-order for $40. The first 100 buys get to pick the color cover. Pre-purchase your copy at yearbookforever.com. Language arts homework help is available every Thursday from 3:30 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. The link can be found on the school website under the Students tab. Ever wonder what's going on around the world? Here's Emily Campos with Planet Report.
I'm Emily Campos with Planet Report. Reuters is reporting that the global apparel industry, reeling from a punishing 2020, is seeing its hope of recovery punctured by a new wave of COVID-19 lockdowns and patchy national vaccine rollouts. Some major retailers still have large inventories of last year's clothes, which would have been sold off in clearance sales in normal times. British fashion chain Primark is holding around $205 million worth of 2020 spring and summer stock and $275 million from autumn and winter. The value of unsold clothing worldwide is estimated by consultancy firm McKinsey to range from $168 to $192 billion, more than the double normal levels. This has led retailers to reduce their orders and request later payment terms. With store closures threatening to carry into summer, some retailers are attempting to sell off as much of their excess stock as possible before placing new orders. The pain is consequently flowing to major garment manufacturing centers like Bangladesh, whose economy rely on textile exports. Factories are struggling to stay open. 50 factories surveyed by the Bangladesh Garment Manufacturers and Exporters Association said they have received 30% fewer orders than usual this season, as pre-Christmas lockdowns in much of Europe followed by another clampdown in January hit their businesses hard. The one bright spot in the market has been for makers of pajamas, which have been on sale rise as more people stay home. That's all for Planet Report. Back to you.
Thank you, Emily. Mr. Millian invites you to earn scholarships with Raise Me. Students at Jose Marti 6-12 Academy at MAST Academy are earning micro scholarships from schools all over the country, starting as early as first semester. Sign up for free at www.raiseme.com/join/211-791-5939. Our Values Matter Miami core value for the month of February is kindness. Kindness is the quality of being friendly, generous, and considerate. We want to recognize those random acts of kindness. If someone has done something kind to you and you feel the need to give them thanks, record a shout out to thank them, and we will feature it on our morning announcements. Record your shout out video and email it to Mr. Vega. We will share that shout out with the school. If you're feeling sad, lonely, or anxious, remember that help is all around you. The NBCPS Department of Mental Health Services is here for you, and there are many school resources available. Students can talk to a teacher, school, counselor, or mental health professional who can guide you and or assist you with needed support. There is also a 24-hour crisis support line available. Call 1-800-784-2433 or text HELLO to 741-741 to get help. In Miami-Dade County Public Schools, mental wellness matters, and someone is here for you. It's that time of the year again to go the extra mile and do something thoughtful for somebody by donating to the United Way. The United Way of Miami-Dade helps create opportunities for those in need to build a better life. The United Way focuses on quality education that leads to a stable job, enough income to support family through retirement, and good health. Look into your heart and donate anything you can to help someone who is less fortunate. The United Way campaigns run through February 26. This year donations can only be made through Venmo at United Way Miami. In the memo, please write your full name and Jose Marti, MAST 6 through 12 Academy. This is the last week for United Way Student Drive. Please help those who are less fortunate and donate to the United Way. There will be a Key Club meeting on Wednesday, February 24th via Zoom at 3:30 p.m. Key Club will be holding officer elections, discussing our service project, and will have a guest speaker. All high schoolers are welcome to join and become part of their committees. Join the Remind at MAST Key or email list at jmma612keyclub.wixsite.com/keyclub to receive the Zoom call information. Key Club hopes to see you all there. That is us for today. We will see you next time.